The key to success today is not pushing hard, it's learning how to shift gears according to the time and the situation. I'm Jeff Jower for Planet Pulse.
And I'm Rick Levine. The moon in Libra, I think, helps us be able to shift gears because the moon in Libra is responsive to the things that change in our environment.
Yeah, it's an interesting paradox because Libra is a cardinal or season starting sign, which we think of as taking initiative. And yet I think the moon in Libra takes initiative like a sailor catching the wind in his sails.
Good image.
It's knowing what's out there in the environment and being able to respond and to react to it in a balanced way that really creates the juice.
And I think what happens today is we start off thinking that we have big wind in our sails and it's not going to take a lot of work because the moon in Libra forms a harmonious trine with Jupiter, the planet of not so much wind, but expansive energy. And so we feel like we can catch that wind and go. But then later in the day, the moon makes a square with Mars, and that's going to take a lot more work than we think.
Yeah, it's going to drive us. And it also brings up a combative side, which Libra is not that happy about. When we encounter Mars, it says you have to act in your self-interest, or at least consider that. And yet Libra always wants to be political and social and get agreement before advancing.
So I think here the real key of the day is to work both ends of the spectrum, and which the Libra moon is great at doing, is knowing that there are things that we can do with great ease and we can get a lot of distance from it. But when that wind stops blowing or when the wind shifts, we need to be able to go into motion, to change our posture, change our attitude, to change the sails in order to catch that again and begin to move. I'm Rick Levine.
And I'm Jeff Jower, welcoming you here to Planet Pulse, where you can find us every day.